going on, everyone? I hope you guys are doing amazing and happy Tuesday to each and every one of you. It is February 3rd, 2026. Guys, if you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys are going to be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. Is going to help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. Now, I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So let's get right into it, guys. We did amazing for all the properties today. Okay, I'm gonna start from the Miami property. Miami property did 0.37%, which is phenomenal. The apartment Seattle property, which I have a share of, which is completely sold out, unfortunately, guys. It did 0.42%. The lake house, I'm gonna be getting the lake house very soon. Okay, but the lake house did 0.39%. The house arch on Cape and Oregon, that did 0.49%. I have a share of that. And the new property, Desert Villa, did 0.49%. That is phenomenal. The Villa Los Angeles, I do own a share of the Villa Los Angeles. It did 0.54%. The tourism Bali, Indonesia, did 0.59%. That property is sold out, unfortunately, guys. The commercial Phoenix, Arizona, did 0.63%. The business Los Angeles did 0.72%. The land plot property did 0.74%. The development Dubai property did 0.90%. And the business development in Dubai property did 0.98%, which did phenomenal. And I'm truly grateful for it, guys. Now, guys, today I will be doing a withdrawal, okay? Live withdrawal, all right? And I'm gonna be sending this amount of money right to my Exodus wallet. Very easy. This is a real opportunity for those who haven't taken action and has been on the sidelines. Now it's time to get off the sidelines and start taking massive action. If you want to learn more on how this works and how I can start creating financial freedom for you and your family, make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video. Now, when you go to the link in the description, you're going to put in your name and email, okay? Once you put your name and email, you're going to get a notification right away from me to verify. You have to verify. If you do not verify, it's not going to bring you to the secondary page of watching all the good information, okay? So make sure as soon as you get the verification notice in your email instantly, you're going to click on the verification and it's going to bring you to the overview video to watch. I highly recommend watching the overview video at least 2 times. The reason why 2 times is that it's going to give you a general sense on how everything works in depth, on how you can make real passive income and also be a partner with estate to making an income as well on top of the passive income. All right, so make sure you guys go through watching the overview video first, the first video, and then you're going to watch all the remaining videos right below it. It's going to guide you through the steps on how to get started, how to fund your account using crypto. Okay, very, very easy. Just follow the videos. It's going to guide you through the whole process. Once it guides you through the whole process, it's going to also guide you through the KYC process. You have to, they do KYC. So they're going to be verifying IDs and everything. So you have to be 18 years of age to participate in estate. You cannot be below 18. If you're below 18, you cannot participate. You have to be 18 years of age and older to participate. All right, you can get started for as low as $10, but don't let $10 now, guys, just stop you there. Okay, but it's just giving you us an equal opportunity, all right, to get fractional shares of creating an income. Right, our main property that you can start $10 from is our Miami property. That's in a downtown area. okay, of Miami. All right, which is awesome. So today we will be doing a withdrawal. All right. I'm going to show you the process on how easy it is to do a withdrawal. Very, very easy, simple. Okay, so what we're going to be doing to do a withdrawal, all right, I'm going to go to where go to my e-wallet, right? Right? So go to my e-wallet. I'm going to be using USDT, right? I'm going to be using, what I love about this, I don't have to keep entering my wallet address, okay? I don't have to keep entering my wallet address, which is fine, you know, which the moment you save your wallet address on this amazing platform, okay, you do not have to enter it again. It's already embedded inside the platform. So you enter it one time and you're good to go. It automatically saves. All right. So what we're going to be doing is going to be withdrawing everything. $319 and 27 cents. All right. There is a 1% withdrawal fee. So keep that in mind. There is a 1% withdrawal fee. So you can't get over that 1% withdrawal fee, guys. Okay. So bear that in mind. All right. So what we're going to be doing is entering my 6-digit code. Now for confidentiality, I will be covering the code. All right. So I'm going to be covering the code right now. All right. We did a withdrawal, and that's in USDT, BEP20. Okay. All right. So what we're going to be waiting for is Exodus now. So now let me go to my Exodus account, guys, and go to Exodus. All right. And that's going to load. It's going to take a couple of minutes to go to my Exodus account. All right. Give me a second. All right. So now, waiting for it to load. So you can see as clear as day. You're going to see, I'm just waiting for my Exodus to load because I'm on the desktop version. Okay, I'm not on the mobile device. I'm on the desktop version. Okay. All right. So waiting for it. Right. I don't have to set no password or anything like that. No. I don't need to set a password. All right. So you guys gonna see it clear as day. Okay. All right. I'm just waiting. Right now. Waiting for my USDT to come on in. All right. Give me a second. I'm just going to go to my USDT. I'm going to go to BEP20. All right. You see that, guys? Whoa, you heard that cha-ching. All right. You see I had two something now. Look. Receive in a couple of minutes, guys. High speed withdrawals. Very quickly. No waiting 24 to 48 hours. Okay. Within minutes, you see it clear as day. I received my $316.08. You know, initially I had, you know, a little higher amount due to the withdrawal fee, the 1% withdrawal fee. I was good. Good to go, guys. So you guys see it clear as day, you know, and then also too, I always I always put notes, okay? So this is my estate profits. Estate profits, right? Zero, I put the today's date, 003. Okay, and that's it, guys. Very simple, very easy from eEstate. eEstate is an amazing opportunity, amazing platform that is changing lives on a daily basis. So guys, now it's time to take massive action by going to the link in the description right below this video. All right, put in your name and email, click the link, put in your name and email, verify your email. Once you do that, After you verify, it's going to bring you to the second page of watching an overview video. Watch the overview video at least 2 times and watch all the remaining videos right below the overview video. Okay? And I appreciate you guys are watching. Don't forget to follow me, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.